The Construction Management Program at Oconee Fall Line Technical College is designed to help students gain knowledge and experience to become future managers in the construction industry, one of the nation's fastest growing and in-demand fields. Students enrolled in OFTC's Construction Management Program gain the skills needed to plan, coordinate, budget, and supervise a variety of construction projects from start to finish in as little as 4 semesters. OFTC's program provides students with a foundation of supervisory skills that will prepare them for many entry points into the construction industry. The hands-on component of this program gives students exposure to a variety of projects similar to what they would see on the job, so they have first-hand knowledge and experience before entering the industry. No matter a person's experience level, OFTC's program focuses on giving students an opportunity to fill an industry need of supervisory roles. A construction manager typically schedules and coordinates all design and construction processes and is responsible for getting things built within a timely manner and on budget. On large projects, construction managers may work for a general contractor, which is the firm responsible for all construction-related activities. In that role, they oversee the project's completion and monitor progress and ensure compliance with plans and specifications. Some will also work as foremen or superintendents. Graduates of OFTC's Construction Management Program can expect high starting salaries and job placement with the ability to work anywhere construction managers are needed. Throughout their career, a construction manager will have various opportunities to gain new skills and certifications that qualify them for promotions and advancement opportunities. Build a future in construction management with OFTC. Careers begin here.